Hello, everyone. This is Dan Gramza, and welcome to dangramza.com Market Studies for Friday, January 30th. How about that? It was a bouncing move on Thursday. That's what we're seeing here, breaking lower, bounced right back up. Can we get followed through? Not so far. That's Asia, and it's softer. So we are looking for further weakness, but don't be surprised if we don't get that bouncy type close on Friday. That means we'd break lower and then give us a rally going into the close. Very interesting setup there. Check out what's happening with Mr. Yen. We're also seeing sellers coming into that market. It's got a bullish bias, but it looks like the dollar is really trying to get stronger against these currencies. But Bitcoin slowing down a bit, not really. This market is headed south, and we have further movement in that market. That's Asia right now for Bitcoin and in the 10-year notes. It's also softer as yields increased. We're seeing some weakness here in price. I look for that to continue, but not a big move down. But check out gold. It's getting high enough to find those sellers. Now over here, it traded just a bit below that sell level. And you can't really see it there, but it did. And so first, the sell side, it failed as the market rallied, coming back down towards it, but still bouncy in that market. It implies an inside day. Now, just to give you a reference, the difference between that buy to sell level is 49,800. And what do we look for? We look for a sideways to possibly lower market environment. And over here in crude oil, here's a market that's also slowing down. I think some of the geotension is coming off a little bit, and we're seeing it reflected. If the US dollar gets stronger, like it's trying to do, then look for crude oil to get softer. Nat gas, this is also a market that opening lower, and we're seeing a setup here for a possible rally in that market. Soybeans got high enough to find sellers for 2 days, and it's following through. Look for weakness on Friday, but not a big day down. Well, those are my thoughts. Hope you found something helpful. Look forward to being with you again tomorrow. In the meantime, take care.